Hello everyone, I am Nitisha from the 9 Pointer, and today we are going to make our earth layers and our earth crust in AutoCAD. So let's see. Here we are having in our drawing that is our inner sphere, that is our inner core, then another sphere of our outer core, our magma portion, and this is our earth crust which is having this beautiful world map. I have downloaded this world map from the internet. You can also download it from there. I will put its link in the description below. Now let's see our all our sides. This is our top view and this is our bottom view, and let's start drawing. So for drawing I will go back to my top view. Let's take our north to the upside and let's start drawing. So for drawing we'll start by making a sphere. So for sphere we will go to this circle command and let's make a sphere of radius 35 units. So enter 35, press enter. Now let's go and take our this line command. Just join these two portions. Now go to this trim command and trim half of the portion of the circle and also trim this middle line. Okay. So for making a sphere, we will have to just rotate this arc to 360 degree. So let's go and select this arc. Go to this extrude drop down and select this revolve command. Now let's go and select this midpoint and any of our vertex. And let's enter the angle of 360 degree. So enter 360 and press enter. Now we got our sphere. Now we have to just slice it in two portions. So let's go to our slice command. Select this object, press enter. Now select this midpoint and go to one side. Now click on the upper portion of the sphere and press enter. Okay, so we got two of it. Again, we have to slice it into half. So let's go to the slice command. Select this upper portion, press enter. From the center point, make a line to upwards. Now select right portion and press enter. So we have divided it into half again. So let's go and select this and delete it. Now I am going to change my realistic view back to my shaded with edges. Now let's just select this portion. Let's go and just unite both of these portions. So for that, let's go to our union command. Now select this portion and press enter. So this is again one sphere only now. Let's go and view. See, this is how it looks like right now. Now in our main drawing, we are having three of the same things. We are having this sphere, we are having this sphere, and we are having this outer sphere. So let's go and just copy this portion instead of making it again and again. I am going back to my top view. Let's go select this sphere and just go and copy it. For that, I'm going to select this copy command. Select the center and copy it here. We'll need one more, so copy it here. Okay. Now for increasing the size, I'm going to use my scale option. So select this sphere, go to the scale command. Now from the center point, select, and I'm going to give a scale factor of 1.4 here. You can give any scale factor. Press enter. And for this one, I am going to give a scale factor of 1.45. So select our scale command, center and 1.45 and press enter. Okay. Let's move it ahead. So what's there in the drawing now? Okay, so here we are having our orange portion from the drawing. This will be our orange section and this will be our red sphere. So let's go and change the color. Just double click on this Go to this color drop down and give it a color of orange. I'm having this color 30. If you're not having this, go to the select color option and select this orange color and press OK. Okay, now press escape. Here again we have to give this red color, double click on this sphere, go to this color drop down and change its color to red. Now we have to place this sphere inside this. So let's see what happens if we move this sphere. Select this sphere, go to this move command. From the center, let's go and move it to this center. Now what happens? Both our solid spheres are just colliding, so we are not able to see any color right now. So we cannot move it directly. So let's go and undo. Now I will just copy this sphere inside it. So let's go and copy. Actually, what we are going to do is we are going to subtract this inner portion so that we get our hollow sphere. That is, we are going to get this hollow red sphere. So let's see, we will go and select our subtract command here. Now select our outer sphere, press enter, and then select our this inner sphere and press enter. So here we got our hollow portion. Now if we move our main, that is our orange sphere inside, then we will be able to see our both the colors and they will not collide. So let's go to this move command and move over this sphere inside this sphere. Okay. Again, we have to do the same thing for this also. So let's go and select both of these spheres. Go to this copy command. We will copy from this center to this center. Again, we'll just subtract it. So go to our subtract command. Select our outer sphere. Press enter. And now select both of these inner spheres and press enter. Okay. So here we got our hollow portion. We'll just go and move our both these spheres inside now. So select, go to this move command. From this center, copy it to this center. Okay. So that's it. Let's just move our main drawing near our older drawing. Let's go to back to our top view. Let's zoom in. Now what's left is this yellow sphere again. So for this yellow sphere, let's go and make one sphere. Go to the circle command, click, drag, enter the radius of 15, press enter. We will go to this line tool. I will select both of these portions. We'll go to this trim command, trim this portion, trim this line also, and select this arc and just revolve it along this longitudinal axis to 360-degree and press enter. Let's change our color to yellow. Double click, go to this color drop down and change it to yellow. And we will just go and place it there. For that, just select this, go to this move command from the center of this sphere to the center of this portion. Okay, so we are almost there. Now we just have to just load our texture and put it on its outer surface. So for loading the texture, we will have to go to this view tab and we will in the palettes, we will go to this material browser. Here I'm having this map of my older one. So let's go and just right click on this global. Go to this duplicate. Let's name it to Earth Crust now. Press enter. Now just go to this option here, edit. Here we are going to just click on this empty space in the image option. And we will just select the image which we downloaded from the internet. Let's go and double click on this image and we will go down to the scale option. In the scale, we will just change it to 1 and press enter, both our scales, and just close it. This also and this also. Now let's just select our outer sphere, right click on our earth crust and select this assign to selection option. So we have assigned our earth crust, but we cannot see. For that, we'll have to go back to our home and change our visual style to realistic. Okay. So what we see here is, let's just zoom in and see we are having number of images along this earth crust. So we'll go to this option now. Let's enter material and select this material map option. Go and select this spherical option and click on this surface and press enter and press escape. Now this map has evenly spread on this sphere. We can just move and see all our sides, and that's it. We have made our drawing now. So if in the whole process you feel any difficulty or if you are having any doubts, you can message us on our mail ID or you can also comment down below in YouTube. Now, if you want to access this DWG file, I will put its link in the description below of our GitHub account. You can download it from there. So thank you everyone. Please do like, share and subscribe and stay tuned.